and welcome to Study Topics. This week we are going to be covering true or false questions about transfers. Now, transfers are one of those topics that are very difficult and they're pretty much guaranteed to show up on the exam. So it's really important that you know the fine details to make sure you either ace these stations on the practical exam or you really understand the fundamentals in case a question is asked in a follow-up or if you're still preparing for the written exam. So let's go to scenario 1. True or false? When setting up the transfer board, lean your patient away from the direction you're about to move when sliding the board underneath them. I'm going to give you a few seconds to think about this. All right, let's review the answer. The answer here is true. When setting up the transfer board, you want to lean your patient away from the side you're transferring towards. And when placing the transfer board under your patient, as you can see, in this case, she is leaning me to the right and she is aiming to transfer me towards the left. Or if you look at me in the picture, you're leaning me towards the left in order to transfer me to the right. Hopefully that makes sense to everyone. Let's go to the next one. True or false? Place half the transfer board under your patient's bottom and instruct them to sit on it. The correct answer here is false. You want to slide about 1/4 of the board under your patient's bottom. The other 3/4 should be positioned over the surface you are moving towards. Okay, let's give you another one. True or false? When working with a C7 spinal cord injury patient, instruct them to slide their bottom along the board, pushing with their hands in short movements with their hands flat on the board. The correct answer here is false. This patient relies on a tenodesis grip, so you would want to educate them on avoiding stretching their long finger flexors in order to maintain tenodesis. All right, comment below with your score out of 3, and if you are registered in our full practical course, log into your online classroom to view a full demonstration of a sliding board transfer. You can find this under the video section under session 5. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for checking out Study Topics. My name is Caitlin, founder of PT Exam Prep. Our goal is to help you prepare for your upcoming licensing exam. So please subscribe to our channel to make sure you're up to date with all of our newest posts.